Stop taking photos like this. And start taking photos like this. Put one leg closer to camera and one hand in hair. Don't take your drink photos like this. Switch to portrait mode. Adjust your zoom as necessary. Lower your exposure to -1. Flip your camera upside down. Wait until this turns yellow, then take a photo. Before, after. Mirror selfie idea. Not like this. Use 0.5 zoom. Flip your phone upside down. Set your exposure to -1.7. Set a timer. Position your phone closer to the mirror and angle the phone back. Take a photo. Adjust yourself so you are on this right side of the frame. Look directly into the camera. From this to this. For over 13 years, JD the camera guy has been involved in photography and helps you with simple tricks to take great pictures. You don't need expensive equipment. Want to take a photo of your shoes? Don't do it like this. Take one shoe off, lay down and put it on the other. Then flip the photo upside down. Want to take a creative photo on your smartphone? Not like that. Find a hallway. Use a wide-angle lens. Use a backpack as a tripod. Set a timer for 10 seconds. Set phone by backpack. Click and hold on area to lock focus and exposure. Drop the sundial down to lower exposure. Take a photo and run to the end of hall and pose. From this to this. Boring coffee photos. Find better lighting. Use portrait mode. Click and hold yourself to lock focus. Drop the sundial down. Set a timer for 10 seconds. Take a photo with drink in your hand. From this to this.